Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the toughest American workhorses ever built, the 1980 Dodge D350 Pickup. A truck that didn't just haul loads, it hauled history. Let's explore its exterior, interior, performance, and why this old-school giant is still respected today. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 1980 Dodge D350 was all about pure strength and function. No curves, no softness, just classic boxy American engineering. At the front, Dodge gave it a bold rectangular grille with chrome highlights, dual square headlights, and a rugged steel bumper. These trucks were built for farms, construction sites, towing yards, and the design reflects that toughness. The long bed configuration made it ideal for heavy loads, while its tall stance and thick steel body panels gave it a reputation for near indestructibility. Even more than 40 years later, many of these trucks still look ready for work. Interior. Inside the cabin, the Dodge D350 kept things simple and practical. Step in, and you're greeted by a wide bench seat offered in vinyl or cloth. No fancy tech, no flashy screens, just the basics that got the job done. The dashboard was straightforward with analog gauges providing clear readings for speed, fuel, temperature, and oil pressure. A simple AM radio was standard, and for those who wanted a bit of comfort, optional air conditioning and upgraded trim were available. Everything inside was designed for durability: thick knobs, metal panels, and easy-to-clean surfaces perfect for workers who spent long hours in their trucks. Performance. Now let's get into what truly made the 1980 Dodge D350 a legend: its performance. This truck came with heavy-duty 1-ton capability, built for serious hauling. Engine options included the 5.2-liter V8, the popular 5.9-liter V8, and in commercial configurations, even stronger power plants. Paired with a reliable 4-speed manual or the tough torque flight automatic transmission, the D350 delivered strong torque at low RPMs, perfect for towing trailers, equipment, and heavy loads. Its suspension was built to survive abuse. Front and rear leaf springs in a reinforced frame ensured stability and strength under extreme weight. So why is the 1980 Dodge D350 Pickup still admired today? Because it represents a time when trucks were built to last. No complicated electronics, no fragile systems, just raw machinery engineered for decades of hard work. Collectors appreciate its heritage, farmers still rely on it, and enthusiasts love the rugged, old-school American charm. If you appreciate classic pickups built with purpose, the Dodge D350 from 1980 is a true legend worth remembering. Thanks for watching. If you're a fan of classic trucks, make sure to like, subscribe, and tell me which truck you want to see next.